If you are shopping for a mortgage, you will want to make sure you watch this video and complete this step first because it's going to save you a lot of headache. If you didn't know this, when you are applying for a mortgage, one of the things that will be required is a hard credit check. When you do this hard credit inquiry, the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, will sell that credit inquiry information to anybody who is purchasing it. So if you are essentially shopping for a mortgage, don't be surprised if on the next day you get 20, 30, or even 40 calls a day asking you to apply with them, complete a mortgage with them, because they are purchasing that information from the credit bureaus. These are called trigger leads, and one of the things that you can do to limit your exposure and help protect yourself and avoid a lot of headache is to visit a website called optoutprescreen.com. Once you're on that website, scroll to the bottom and you can choose to opt out typically for 5 years. When you do that opt out, it takes a couple weeks for it to actually register and to go through. So you will want to complete that as soon as possible if you are thinking of applying for a mortgage. Even if it's next year or 2 years from now, there's no harm in opting out of the credit bureaus from sharing your information with other solicitors because that can be done for 5 years. Now you can permanently opt out as well. However, that process takes a little bit longer because you do have to complete a form, mail it in, and there's just some additional processing time. So the fastest way to do it is to opt out for 5 years, and that process can be done in a few minutes, and it takes a couple weeks to go through. So just complete that as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you found this video helpful.